in more complex cases that hinge on legal and factual disputes, where a third party's viewpoint may come into play and help the parties reach a resolution, then you're going to need somebody that has that evaluator hat. Retired judges are particularly good at that because they've had a lot of experience on the bench and they're willing to give their opinion on, in some cases, I've had that retired judge give an opinion on the settlement value or how much they thought the case would be worth if it went to a jury, what they thought the judgment would be, or what would happen on summary judgment. A caveat to that is that information is not always accurate. So, that could help you or that could hurt you. If the mediator comes in and says, you're going to lose on summary judgment and you don't have a chance and tells your client that, they may not always be right. We've all, as attorneys, won cases that we thought we were going to lose or lost cases we thought we were going to win. And, if you're dealing with the magistrate judge, they're not the judge making that decision. The presiding, the district court judge may have a completely different view on those issues. I mean, it may be something you could possibly prevail on. So, it's helpful to an extent to have that sometimes, but you have to think about that evaluation may not be completely on point in all situations, but there is some expertise. And sometimes when you are dealing with a client that they may need that. I mean, it may be something that you've already told your client that, this is a good case to settle and you might not want to go to trial for these reasons. And hearing that from a third party that's not you, who's been on the bench and can, listen and build some rapport with your client may go a long way. So I think that evaluator component is critical. And that's something that I think is important to look for when you're determining what mediator to choose. Are they going to put on the evaluator hat and help the parties, determine and assess the case when necessary? Or are they just going to be the means to communicate offers back and forth?